Hi, welcome to Swift Learning. In this episode, I would like to introduce you to our Working in Confined Spaces adaptive course from the HSE certification program. This course is available on any mobile device, so you can refresh your training when you need it most, from desktop to tablet to your smartphone. Many workers need to enter confined spaces to perform such functions as repairs, inspections, or maintenance, which can be very dangerous. Proper equipment and procedures must be used, and workers must be thoroughly trained to reduce the risk associated with the hazards that are present. This course has been designed to help you meet all regulatory and government requirements, including the Alberta Occupational Health and Safety Code. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to identify confined spaces, list and describe the hazards found in confined spaces, protect yourself against confined space hazards, explain use of entry permits and employee responsibilities, explain why confined spaces are hazardous, list the members of a confined space entry team, explain requirements for a confined space entry permit, explain conditions that must be satisfied before a confined space is entered, describe the responsibilities of each member of a confined space entry team, explain the requirements for a hazard assessment, review of work conditions and pre-work planning, and recognize when air testing is required. You will need approximately 2 hours to complete this course. Let's get started, and remember, Swift learning equals swift success.